Let's make chile relleno de queso, or cheese stuffed chile rellenos. Start by blistering your poblanos either on a gas stove or under a broiler. Then we're going to let them steam either in a bowl or a plastic bag so that way the skin becomes softer to peel them. You can also blister the tomatoes in the broiler, or you can do it on a pan. Once they become blistered, add them to a blender, and then I'm going to saute some onions until they become caramelized, and later I added a garlic and a serrano. Add half of the caramelized onions, garlic, serrano, salt, and water to a blender until it forms a smooth sauce, and then add it back to the pan to simmer with some cilantro. Batter, you want your eggs at room temperature and separate the whites and the yolks. Go ahead and use an electric mixer and beat the egg whites until they form nice stiff peaks. Then you're going to season with some salt and switch to a spatula and add one egg yolk at a time and mix it until it becomes incorporated. You don't want any liquid in the batter, you want it to be nice and fluffy. Now we're going to peel the outer layer skin of the poblano. Just use a butter knife and then gently scrape it off. You don't have to make it perfect. You can also remove the seeds if you like and then place them aside. I'm using some Oaxaca cheese that I cut into bigger chunks because I find it easier to hold into the poblano. Add some flour, salt, coat the poblano, and then add it to the egg batter. Carefully place it into the hot oil. Make sure your oil is at 350 degrees, and then add some oil to all the sides so that way everything gets nice and crispy. Let the oil drain off either on a baking sheet or some paper towels, and then when you're ready to serve the chile relleno, remove the cilantro from the sauce, add some to the plate, and then top it with the chile relleno, and then pour some more sauce on top. You can also serve this with some rice and beans, but this is such a comforting meal. I hope you give it a try. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Enjoy.